If you are wondering how to actually build a strong profile for EB-2 NIW, let me share the exact strategy I followed, step by step, so you can understand what really works in real life, not just theory. The first thing I focused on was choosing the right research direction. This is very important. I didn't just pick topics randomly. I focused on areas that have real world impact, like soil health, agriculture, and environmental sustainability. These are fields that naturally align with national importance. So, my first strategy was to make sure my work itself was meaningful and relevant beyond just academic requirements. The second step was building consistency in research output. I didn't try to publish everything at once. Instead, I worked gradually, writing papers, collaborating with others, and improving quality over time. Publications are important, but what matters more is the direction and impact of those publications. Even a few strong papers can be more powerful than many weak ones. The third strategy was increasing visibility and credibility. I made sure my work was not just published, but also visible. That includes citations, conference presentations, and collaborations with other researchers. When other people start recognizing and citing your work, it strengthens your profile significantly. It shows that your research is contributing to the field. The fourth step was building strong professional connections. This helped a lot when it came to recommendation letters. I didn't wait until the last moment. I built relationships with researchers who understood my work and could evaluate it independently. Strong recommendation letters are not just formalities. They play a critical role in showing the real impact of your work. The fifth and most important strategy was how I positioned my work. Many people have good profiles, but they struggle to present them properly. I made sure to clearly connect my research with real-world impact. I focused on explaining how my work contributes to broader challenges like sustainability and agricultural productivity. This narrative is what ties everything together. And finally, I treated this as a long-term process, not a short-term goal. EB-2 NIW is not something you prepare in a few months. It requires planning, patience, and consistent effort. Every paper, every project, every collaboration adds to your profile. If you are just starting, don't feel overwhelmed. Start with what you have. Focus on meaningful work, build consistency, and think strategically about your future. Over time, you will see your profile grow. I'll be sharing more detailed videos on each of these steps: how to publish strategically, how to get strong recommendation letters, and how to present your case effectively. So stay connected if you want to learn this process based on real experience. And remember, success in EB-2 NIW is not about doing everything. It's about doing the right things consistently.